You're going to hear this. We've never tried to sing this song before, but we should know it. All right? Go ahead, Susan. Give us a little turn there, and we'll get started.
Without him I would be nothing. Without him I'd surely fail. Without him I would be drifting like a ship without a sail. Jesus, oh Jesus, do you know him today? Do not turn him away, oh Jesus, oh Jesus. Without him, how lost I would be.
Come on, Jerry, you and I do the second verse.
Without him, I would be dying. Without him, I'd be enslaved. Without him, life would be hopeless. But with Jesus, thank God, I'm saved. Jesus, oh Jesus, do you know him today? Please don't turn him away, oh Jesus, oh Jesus. Without him, how lost I would be.
This is bride money. Bride money.
Oh, I tell you, I love these guys. I tell you, that's the way to sing, isn't it? Just let the Lord lead and do that. Well, I've been looking forward